technology side. So technology is unknown still, like how the market exchanges the technology, we are unknown. Now, where the agile fit here or Scrum fit here? If we knows everything known, it's a fine, simple. We can do process. The requirement is somehow, technology is somehow is just simple. Even technology is more unknown, it's a complicated. Requirement is more unknown, it's a complicated. But the part where is the complex one is that here, where we don't know anything about much about the requirement and we don't know anything about the technology. So in that sense, Agile works very much good here in this part. Here to here, up to there, like here to here, Agile is work. How? Like suppose, since you are working on the weekly phase, a sprint wise, so what you are doing? In a sprint, you are working such type of product backlog or item wise or story, which is very much crucial as per today's market. And today's market means like 1 month, after 1 month or 2 months. Enough, 2 months is very much far for the release. So whatever, if the unknown is everything and the process is complex, your thinking, your ideas is complex, better to follow the Agile methodology. That is a STACI matrix. Those who came after like some just now, I will describe after tea break, so you can know about the Agile and all this. What is this? Okay, come. If you want to do some activity, then it was, because we have some very less amount of time, like 4 hours only. So we can't do up to a whole activity. It's up to 1 day full program, like 8 hours to 9 hours. So we can pass this. Now, values of Agile. How we can say like values means how Agile is, how Agile having the value, how is valuable. One is, you can come here also, no problem. One is that if you are in Agile, working on the Agile, you should have the courage. Like courage means because you are directly connecting with the clients. Means you are working in such a model that daily basis you are connecting with the clients. Might be possibilities if you have a problem to direct connect to the clients. Client will give you the options to know about your, to verify your problem, to create your problem, clear your problem. So you should have the courage like to just how we can do like this, how we can do like this. These things should become openness. You should be free, more communicative. Like in a team, in Agile, never you will have a bigger such a team in Agile. That if you are working on whole team as Agile, it's hardly you have 7 to 10 people in a one team. So 7 to 10, 7 to 10, 7 to 10. So you should be more communicative, whatever, because you might be possibilities, you have some problem, better to call the product owner and or mail the product owner. Not mail is the very rare things on the Agile, so better to direct connect with the product owner and ask, you have some problem in the item backlog, can you clarify? He will clarify. This is the methodology. Respect. When you are working with the openness manner, you should have the respect. How to do the respect? Focus. Your aim or whatever you are doing, your point of the do is just some focus. You have to focus on your work, like client requirement. Whatever the client requirement, you have to main focus on that. Commitment. Here is the developer is almost. What you have committed, it should be followed. It means not like every sprint you are committing that you are going to do the 3 story points or 4 story points, and you are doing every sprint you are doing 2 story points or 1 story points. It will be a bad practice in their side. Once you committed, you have to follow that. Because you are the guys, if you are a developer, you are the guys, you are doing the estimation, you are giving the estimations of your task. Nobody is just giving estimation behind you. So if once you are given the estimation, you have to keep your commitment. So you should be committed. Now, principles of Agile or Scrum, both. Once again say, Agile is a methodology, Scrum is a framework. Agile means whatever the methodology is we are doing nowadays apart from the waterfall model is the Agile. A Scrum is a framework of that to follow the Agile. One of the framework. Another is like XP, Kanban, so many things. But a Scrum nowadays we are following the Scrum with the Kanban. So we will see how we are following the Scrum and Kanban together. One is the prioritization. What do you mean by prioritization? Like, keep more mind to write these things. I will share this whole to all guys. I will mail this whole PPT to all. So no problem. Just try to listen and try to raise your questions and ask. So it would be more beneficial. If you want, I have so many documents I can pass you. No problem. So don't waste your time. One is the prioritization. What do you mean by the prioritization? How can you say prioritization is helpful for the client? Anyone knows about it?
If we have multiple backlogs or multiple tasks, so we prioritize the task and deliver it sprint wise. So we prioritize the high priority task and do it in the earlier sprints instead of postponing it for later sprints.
Yes, right. So now, not in V, here the V is the product owner. Before going to apart from this thing, I would like to define more. Who is the product owner? Scrum Master and a Scrum developer. So product owner is the guy who knows everything about the product. Like right now, if you are doing the job in waterfall model, who knows everything for the product? One, the guy who is coming from the onshore, who is taking the requirement, who has his document, he knows. Another, your client, the guys who is from the onshore, from the client side, who knows something about the requirement, who knows about what he wants to develop from the COMDEL, he knows. So same here, product owner is such a guy who knows about the product, everything about the product. If anyone is having problem, you have to go and ask with the product owner. So one task of the product owner is having the every aspect of knowledge of the business. Another thing, what we want to require in the product, what we want to create, he has some list. Give me 1 minute. Task, priorities, serial number, you can say task and priority as per market. So serial number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so something and priority 1, 2, 3 or 4, 3, 5. So what is going on here? 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. Like he has some tasks. 1, 2, 3, 4. One task. Suppose we are creating a student information again. Very easy example. That's why I am giving you. Or you can compare. I can give you another example of your project also. So a student information. If you are creating a project of the college application, college web application. First of all, what do you think a college web application should have? If it's online. So of course, first I think so. It should have the college information. First, start with the registration. How is the college? Once the college information is done, then registration. Registration means a student registration. A student information, then after admission, then after exam, then after test result and so on. And blogs and discussion after all. Because once you have all this configuration, then you can think about the blog and discussion. Now if has every web application having the blog and discussion as per their requirement. So, if you have the product owner is the guy who has the totally knowledge of the business and he will start listing down all the tasks. The task is known as the story. Whatever the task is known as the story. But might be possibilities, this task, the product owner further need to bifurcate this task. So, on that case, this is maybe a story, maybe epic, maybe feature. Suppose he created a task to save a student information. That is a story. Save is a one method only. Save is a one method only. That is a story. Epic. Might be possibilities. He come to he only wrote like, oh, a student page. Yeah, a student information. So a student information means we have to add, delete some of the reports of that student related. Add, update, delete, report. These all things mixed together for a particular of the task. That is a epic. Maybe epic
means collection of stories.
Yes, can say. But sometimes might not be a collection of story, or might be some complex collection of a story. I will come up to that point. And feature. Feature is the one particular feature. You know feature. So the main might be sometimes epics break down into feature or feature breakdowns into epic. Both are some of the, like who is the more complex. So what happens? Now, come to here. A story you know, epics you know, and feature. Might be possibility sometimes both are very complex. Either epics are complex and feature are complex and not able to break by the product owner. Product owner thinks like, oh, we need some reports as per market competition. But he don't know. He might be possibilities, he's told that he needs some report of the student as per the market competition, but he don't know exact what he want. So what he will do? He will come to with our team, Scrum developer team, a Scrum master, and define and says here, I have a one product, I have a one epic, and that is a report, create a report as per the market. How we can break? So we are the guys, I mean, if we are a Scrum developer, we are the guys think about in the planning. So we are the guys who think about this Scrum planning and bifurcate this task and ask him, okay, so if the market is like a student information means what the report should become. Might be possibilities we have to compare some of the college comparison, we have to give some result comparison, whatever the. So here, some of the tasks which is more complex, we bifurcated some of the tasks and we comes a story 1, a story 2, a story 3 and so on and so on. But still, one task is more complex. How we will proceed? So how we will do that? More complex in the Agile or Scrum, we have to do some POC, proof of concept, for that specifically. Means how the thing is changed in the Agile and waterfall model. We know that we believe on fast failure. Fast failure means very simple. As soon as we will fail, it's okay for me. Really, believe me, if I am failed today for the Comdale, I am okay. Wow, how can say like fast failure is okay for your task or your process? Like, if you have any complex task, one of the guys or two guys start to do work on a spike, means POC. POC know everyone. POC is a general. A spike is a Scrum or Agile term. Same things. A spike and POC is the same thing. POC means proof of concepts. Whatever you are creating, it should be only proof with the sum of the constant and sum of the static method. Now, after 1 week or 2 days or 3 days, this guy comes to us and says, oh, we can't achieve this task. Might be some more complex and he can't achieve. That means whatever we want to create not able to possible and we can say like, oh, we have failed. Means on 3 days or 4 days we come to the point that, oh, this task is very much complicated, not having the more requirement, we need much more requirement or something more. So it's a we are failure. Means in 3 days we say we are failure. Means fast failure. So whatever other than two guys, like suppose if you are working in the waterfall model or any model, if you are working and if you face like failure any of the 1 month, after 1 month you come to the point we have more risk, we have some more technology, we have something and we are failed. Because due to more risk we are not able to do or we are not able to do such type of job. So we invested like 1 month credentials, 1 month revenue of the clients. But here 3 days and we come to the point, 3 or 4 days, we come to the point we created a POC about this complex task. We are not about to do and we are fast failure. That's why I told the first line. If we are doing the fast failure and if we are in the process of the fast failure, we are okay, very happy. We are not going to put the more money on the fast failure for the client prospects. Fine. So, prioritization becomes like this. Okay. Self-organization. Self-organization means we are the guys. Self-organization means not an organization, not a company. We self, ourselves. Whatever the like Ajit has to do something. So he is a self-organized. He knows his value of his organization, of this task. So he will come to the point like and he knows everything. He is totally self-organized. So no need to put any man behind this that, oh, check that Ajit comes into time or goes into time or not. No, because Ajit know that, sorry, I'm just taking example, that he is a self-organized guys. So he will come into the time, he will do the job and it's such type of team we need in the Scrum. Not like that if today the Amit and Nitin is not here, so better to move on to that lobby area and do something chit chat because both are not here. The thing is like that, if we have the work, we have the commitment, we have to fulfill. That is the self-organized. Empiricism and emergence, we have seen whatever we are doing is the plan, do, act, check model. Collaboration. Collaboration means we are collaborating with each other. Means client is here, product owner is here, developer team is here, tester is here even. In one Scrum team, one tester would be also. So everyone is collaborating mode. They are working together. That is a collaboration. Time boxing. Time boxing means we have whatever the task, whatever the sprint we are doing, it's having a fixed time. Like one sprint might be, its time boxing is from the 1 week to 4 week. Means your sprint might be 1 week to 4 week, but depend upon you, depend upon the client requirement and more things. But how to judge as a being a Scrum Master or a Scrum developer, how to judge the which would be the better sprint time scenario? One of the 1, 2, 3 main things you have to think that how much changes comes from the client. If the client is more nature to change like DC photo, better to do one bigger sprint. If you are following in the agile, do the one. If the client is changes in the very frequent, if client is somehow okay to wait for the 2 weeks, better to 2 weeks or more okay than 4 weeks. But nowadays the culture is that 2 weeks is very famous culture. Wherever you will get a chance and talk with Agile or Scrum, almost all over is using the 2 week sprint, bi-weekly sprint. That is the time box. And adapt and inspect. Whatever we are doing, we have to adapting the culture. And next time, whatever we are adapting, we have to inspect it. Oh, are we doing fine? Okay, then following that. If we are not doing the fine, better to leave that and again do some more better prospects. That is.
So what does this mean? 1 plus 1 equals to 3?
1 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 is the like whatever. If 1 means if you are doing this way, prioritization, self-organization, means our productivity will be suddenly increased. So if like only 2 people is working, they will work like more than 3. That is.
There is no manager.
Our manager will come. That will come. No, you are not happy. If there is no manager, means you have to go there. Think about
3. There is
keep my words there. Like if there is no any manager, means we have more weight on our head.
Yeah.
How? If on the time I remember when I was just started my career, and my manager was there, like Manish is my manager, and I was a senior software engineer. So I said, "Oh, this Manish sir, nahi hoga, bas nahi hoga," and I'm going. My mom came from my house, so I'm going. और वो Manish सब face कर रहे हैं. Now there is no manager, means you have more burden on your head. You are self-organized team. Think about Manoj might be whole night you will spend here and no manager would be behind you. So there is a no manager is a happy as well as also sorrow part. It's not a very good part like manager is not. But anyway, that is the word. Any question up to that? Agile, a Scrum still started because so many things are still on back. It's about 11. Before starting the Scrum, all like main part of the Scrum roles and meetings and artifacts. Overall, this is the Scrum. Overall, not apart from that. Some the release and burden will come, but overall Scrum is like this. We can go and have the breakfast, like tea. I'm not sure, but as per trainer, there will be breakfast. So after 15 minutes, we can meet on 11:15. So continue. Okay. Those who came late, you can ask. You can wait for